Hello, how to solve t power t equals t power 3? We are solving for all values of t that satisfies this equation. Now, let's consider this first method. Remember, if you have a power a and this equals a power b, if the bases are the same, you compare the exponent. That means you have a equals b. So right now you can say t equals 3 because the bases are the same. Now you can compare the exponents. That is impressive. So that is one solution. But for you to solve this and get all the solutions, this is a method you are going to use. You have t power t equals t power 3. I divide this by t power 3. I divide this by t power 3. This cancels this. That will give us 1. You have t power t divided by t power 3 equals 1. So, for us to solve this and make use of this, if you have a power m divided by a power m is equals a power n minus m. Now, applying that here, we have t power t minus 3 equals 1. So at this point, I can apply natural log. I have natural log of t power t minus 3 equals natural log of 1. Now, if you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a. So the t minus 3 will come behind this. We have t minus 3 times natural log of t, and this equals natural log of 1. Now, natural log of 1 is obviously 0. We have t minus 3 times natural log of t equals 0. So at this point, you can create two solutions. You have t minus 3 equals 0. You have natural log of t equals 0. Now, if t minus 3 equals 0, you can solve for t by moving this over here. You have t equals 3. This is our t1. For this, you need to eliminate the natural log by making use of e. You have e power ln t. This equals e power 0. E eliminate ln. You have t equals e power 0. And any number raised to e power 0, absorption of 0 itself is 1. So you have t equals 1. We have two different solutions right now. That is quite impressive. Now, we can as well solve this by making use of log straight away or natural log straight away. So we have t power t equals t power 3. Can decide to apply natural log of t power t equals natural log of t power 3. Remember the property? ln of a power b equals b times ln of a. So the t comes behind natural log. 3 comes behind natural log. We have t times ln t equals 3 times ln t. So you can solve this in two ways. We have t ln t equals 3 ln t. I can decide to solve this by dividing this by ln t. I divide this by ln t. ln t eliminates ln t. ln t eliminates ln t. I have t equals 3. That is one way of solving it. I can also decide to solve it this way. I can copy this out. I have t ln t equals 3 ln t. I move this over here. I have t ln t minus 3. ln t equals 0. ln t. I factor that out. This divides t. I have t minus this divides ln t. I have 3 equals 0. So we can equate each of these to 0. ln t equals 0. t minus 3 equals 0. We need to solve this. If ln t equals 0, then use of e power ln t equals e power 0. Is cancel this, you have t equals e power 0. From here, you have t equals 1. For this, you move this negative 3 over here. You simply have t equals 3. This is t2, this is t1. We have two different solutions right now in any of the methods you want to use. You think there are other solutions? The question remains the same, t power t equals t power 3. If you consider t equals 0, you are going to have 0 power 0, and this is not the same thing as 0 power 3. Because 0 power 0 is indeterminate. Indeterminate. Right? So that is 0 power 0, which is not the same thing as 0 power 3. So t power 0 is not a solution. Now, somebody said that t equals negative 1 can satisfy this equation. Now let's do it. If you have t power t equals t power 3, if you insert negative 1, you have negative 1 power negative 1. Is it the same thing as negative 1 power 3? Now look at it here. Negative 1 power negative 1 is the same thing as saying 1 divided by negative 1 power 1. Remember, if you have a power negative n, this equals 1 divided by a power n. So that's exactly what happens here. This is 1 divided by negative 1 power 1. Is it the same thing as negative 1 power 3? So this will give you negative 1. This will give you negative 1 because this is an odd number. So negative 1 equals negative 1 bit. As long as there's no way of solving this, is there any way of solving this apart from just testing? As long as there's no way of solving it and getting this value, that means the solutions remain t equals 1 and 3 because those are provable ways of solving it. These ones are not provable way of solving this particular one here, t equals negative 1. I don't think there's any way of solving it. If you know any way of solving it, let me know on the comment box of solving it to get that t equals negative 1. If you know how to solve and get this, drop it on the comment box and I would truly appreciate it. Now, for now, we have t equals 3 and t equals 1. We have solved this one and we have gotten there. For this, I don't know how to solve it. If you do, drop it on the comment box. That is it. Thank you and see you again.